Can we actually nail this race start? Let's find out. The timer has started. Today we're going to do a Vanderbilt start, named after Harold Vanderbilt, king of the huge boats of yesteryear, going full throttle to the line. We got to get the timing just right. I'm going to be quiet now and let all of this just play out. Please click the like and subscribe if you like it. Thanks. So how did it turn out? We were first to the windward mark. Oh, but on the second mark, we ran into a nasty surprise. I'll have that in the next video. Until then, keep on sailing.